Understanding and selecting critical data elements, CDEs. Businesses accumulate vast amounts of information, and it's getting worse. But not all data is created equal. Some data is critical to success, while others are less important. This video will explain what critical data elements are and how to select them effectively. Data elements are simply data attributes used in running a business. For example, an employee number is a data attribute used for payroll and leave calculations. Now, critical data elements, or CDEs, are defined as the data that is critical to success in a specific business area. As Rajesh Jugalam puts it, these are the vital pieces of information that drive key business outcomes. For instance, the employee number is crucial for HR processes, but largely irrelevant to customer-facing activities. Critical data elements are essential for ongoing operations and are used to prioritize data governance, data quality, master data management, and similar initiatives. They help focus efforts on data that will directly contribute to achieving specific business outcomes. Think of customer data in a large organization. It might consist of hundreds of attributes. If our business goal is to increase contactability, then our CDEs might include elements like email addresses and mobile telephone numbers. This allows us to concentrate our data governance and quality efforts on these specific elements until the goal is achieved. Yet in practice, identifying CDEs can be hard. A common approach to categorizing data is to divide it into data domains, subsets of data that describe specific business areas like customer data, product data, employee data, or transaction data. This approach is often used in master data management. However, using domains alone presents challenges. Domains can be very large, containing hundreds of attributes, not all of which are critical. On the other hand, domains can also be too restrictive, as real business problems often require data elements from multiple domains. So, how do we effectively identify CDEs? The key is to shift our focus from data domains to specific business problems and how data supports them. We suggest 3 approaches. Report-driven. Analyze key performance indicators and reports. Which data elements underpin these metrics? What data is used in scorecards? Policy-driven. Identify data that supports specific business policies or regulatory requirements, such as IFRS or POPIA. Process-driven. Determine which data are inputs or outputs of critical business processes. What data is essential for us to operate? But the fundamental question isn't just which elements are critical. It's what are the criteria that make an attribute a candidate for governance? A useful tool here is a data governance decision tree. This ensures that CDEs are tied to business drivers and dictate business impact and governance strategies. Key criteria to consider include: is the data element critical for business process execution, analytics, financial reporting, or compliance? This decision tree can help narrow down hundreds of candidate attributes to a manageable list of impactful CDEs. Once CDEs are identified, we can implement governance strategies. Active governance at the point of entry, passive governance after data capture, or process control based on policies and data quality dashboards. Finally, addressing data ownership is crucial. By understanding who depends on and captures the data, we can create a RACI matrix: responsible, accountable, consulted, and informed, to clarify roles and responsibilities. Who is responsible for capturing data correctly and who do they report to? All. Who is accountable for data being captured correctly? Who needs the data in a particular format and is able to provide input into standards and rules? C. Who else uses or is impacted by the data and needs visibility? I. By understanding what critical data elements are and how to select them, businesses can effectively manage their data, improve operations, and achieve their strategic goals. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content.